The SOA is an automated tool that has a user-friendly interface for identification, segmentation, and extraction of important morphological information from images of complex 2D line networks.
The work process is simple and intuitive, and the data is obtained immediately and easily. Moreover, because SOA is adaptable and flexible, its analytic capacity can be expanded for other applications. SOA can be used for the analysis of other types of 2D networks, such as networks of non-neural cells, complex structures generated by the cytoskeleton, and non-biological networks like nanotubes.
Open the web page, find the soa.zip zipped folder, and download the zip file by double-clicking. Unzip the folder by right-clicking and selecting Extract Files. Observe the extraction path and options window that opens and the destination address text box that displays the path for the extracted files. Next, open the extracted SOA file and double-click on soa.exe. Wait for a black window to open, after which the application will appear. In the SOA Viewer Upload menu bar, select Choose File, then choose an image from the computer files and click on it. Click Open, observe the file's path, then click Next. For segmentation optimization in Edges, adjust the threshold for the display by selecting Threshold and entering a number.